Good evening, my name is Swapnali. Welcome to today's highlights of Speed News Live 24. Let's have a quick look on worldwide highlights. Dravida Munnetra Kazim, President M.K. Stalin on Wednesday challenged both Tamil Nadu Chief Minister K. Palaniswamy and Deputy Chief Minister O. Paneerselvam to unravel the mystery behind the former CM Jayalalitha's death. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Wednesday held a meeting with the Chief Ministers of a state and the Union Territories as alarm grows over the resurgence of COVID-19 cases in India. Here are the key points he made at the meeting. Modi said India needs to take a quick and decisive steps. The Ministry Home Affairs on Wednesday said there is no provision of detention centers under the Citizenship Act 1955 and the National Register of Indian Citizens. In written reply, Minister of State of Home Affairs Nityanand Rai said the detention centers are set up by state governments. Bihar CM Nitish Kumar felicitates RLSP President Upendra Kushwaha after the party merged with the JD in Patna on March 14th. Less than a week after Upendra Kushwaha merged a Rashtriya Lok Samta Party with a Janata Dal and Nitish Kumar lead government recommended to the governor to nominate him to a legislative council. Accept social turbulence if a BJP pushes through a farm law, says Rahul Gandhi. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on Tuesday said that the country can witness some serious social turbulence if the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party pushes through the implementation of 3 constituent farm laws which have provoked agitations for thousands. Life Insurance Corporation employees will observe a one-day strike on Thursday to protest against the centre's proposal of de-investing the corporation. The government-owned insurance corporation, which will establish in 1956, has about 1,14,000 employees as of 2020 and over 290 million policy holders. Following the job losses during the lockdown and the increase in the incidence of harassment from employers and the customers, multiple gig worker groups are planning to create an umbrella union of gig workers across the country. India on Wednesday said its engagement with China is complex and the two countries agreed that the future directions of ties should be built upon respecting each other's sensitive concerns and aspirations. The government has received complaints against the center e-commerce companies alleging violations of a foreign district investment policy and necessary actions have been taken for investigation by an enforcement directorate. Parliament was informed on Wednesday. A baby girl was born on an Indigo Airways flight headed to Jaipur Wednesday morning with the help of an on-board passenger doctor and cabin crew, the airlines informed in a statement. A baby girl was born mid-air on the board flight 6E469 from Bangalore to Jaipur. Taking a cue from Australia, India should enact a law to make a tech giants such as Facebook and Google pay local publishers of a new content. Senior BJP leader Sushil Kumar Modi demanded in a Rajya Sabha on Wednesday. Former owner of Mercedes car, which was used by arrested police officer Sachin Waze and seized by the NIA on Wednesday, said he will fully cooperate with the probe agency if he approaches him for any information related to the vehicle. Oil slipped for a 4th day on Wednesday as concerned about a weaker demand in Europe outweighed an industry report that showed US crude stockpiles unexpectedly fell last week. Several European countries have paused the use of AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine due to worries over a possible side effects. Germany is seeing a rising. The International Air Transport Association on Monday started a trial of a travel pass design for the pandemic era, reported Asia Times. India on Wednesday said its engagement with China is complex and the two countries agreed that the future direction of ties should be built upon respecting each other's sensitivities, concerns and aspirations. The Indian badminton contingent has been cleared to participate in All England Championships after the players who had tested positive for COVID-19 returned negative in a retest conducted by the governing body on Wednesday. Google Chrome is the most popular browsing app used in the world. While it is used important for internet browsing, there are a number of other functions that can be enabled on the app. Google Chrome can be used to save data as a calculator, PDF reader, and read to on know-how. Right from proposing someone for a marriage during a mid-air to delivering a baby on a flight are some incidents that are getting slightly common. Yes, another incident of a woman giving a birth to a baby after boarding a plane has come up. UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson on Wednesday said the UK and India share a vision of a sustainable future will be among the issues of our agenda for talks with the friend Prime Minister Narendra Modi during his upcoming visit to New Delhi next month. In an appalling incident, a short-tempered man in Gujarat Kutch district allegedly killed his 22-year-old sister by brutally stabbing her with a knife at least 8 times in a full public view. Later, he casually walked around the corpse of her sister, screaming that he was not scared of anybody. With this, we end up with today's highlights.
तर अशाच ताज्या अपडेट्ससाठी स्पीड न्यूज लाईव्ह 24 चॅनेलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉनवर प्रेस करा.